Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now you'll see the motor assembly. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motor. Take note of how it's connected, as you'll need to reconnect it later. Next, use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 3 screws holding the motor down. Once these are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris. This will ensure optimal performance once the new motor is in place. Now take your new motor and align it with the mounting points in the vacuum. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any vibrations during use. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place securely. This is crucial for the motor to function correctly. Once everything is reassembled, replace the cover of the vacuum and secure it with the screws. Remember to double-check that all screws are tightened properly. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson SV12 back into the power source. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your vacuum running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.